welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Candace and I create content on motherhood, beauty, lifestyle, and I also do some vlogging. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button now and be sure to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Before we get started, I just want to say I know that we're all in uncharted territories right now during this time. I hope everyone is healthy and staying safe at home with their loved ones and taking care of their families. Today I want to talk to you guys about your channel setup or background, whatever you want to call it. I feel like when it comes to YouTube or just social media in general, it can be a little intimidating when it comes to this topic, especially for small YouTubers like myself and so many others. So today my goal is to help you see that you don't have to spend a ton of money or live in this huge fancy house in order to get a nice setup. All right guys, so when we're talking about your YouTube setup or background, your vision may vary depending on your channel's content. This means a beauty channel versus a finance channel will probably look a little bit different. So obviously you'll want to take your channel's content into consideration when doing your setup. But regardless of whatever your niche is, the concept that we're going to be using today can still be applied. So let me catch you guys up to speed really quickly. My fiance Ricky, myself, and our daughter Ava recently moved into his childhood home so that we could do some super saving to buy our own home. When we made this decision to move into my future in-laws home, our lease was coming to an end soon and we knew we needed something bigger. We were staying in a one-bedroom apartment, but we didn't think it made sense to go ahead and rent something bigger, which meant you were gonna spend more money when they actually had 2 extra spare rooms that they weren't using. So the decision really, it just made sense. So because this isn't our space, I couldn't just reconfigure things to suit my needs when it came to my setup for my YouTube channel. So I had to get a little bit creative. So I'm pretty sure all of you already have a sofa. That's what we're gonna use as our foundation. Now all we're gonna do is go ahead and dress up this area with a few little knickknacks. It doesn't need to be anything excessive. I promise you a little bit goes a long way. So go ahead and get up right now and go grab some knickknacks from around your house. Be creative, think outside the box, anything that you think might fit into the vision that you have in your head, and then meet me back here. So these are all the pieces that I'm gonna be using for my setup today. I literally went room to room, including the bathroom, to see if there was anything I could use that would go good with the vision that I had in mind. Now let's go ahead and play with these items and see what we come up with. And I want you to do the same with yours. And there we have it, guys. Just like that, you've created a background setup for free for your YouTube channel. Now, before we get out of here, guys, I just want to say I really do appreciate you guys' support. It's super important to me that I'm creating content that you all enjoy and that you actually find helpful. So please go ahead and use that comment section down below so I know what you like, don't like, and that way I can continue to create content that you enjoy. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.